Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will walk you through the simple steps on how to place an order on Shein. Whether you are using the Shein app or the website, this guide will help you shop easily and confidently. So let's get started. First, open the Shein app or go to shein.com and start browsing through categories or use the search bar at the top to find the clothing, accessories or items you want. Let me go with clothing for now. I like this one. When you find something you like, tap on it to view details and make sure to choose the right size using the size guide. Pick your preferred color or style option and check reviews if available. Once you're happy with your choice, tap add to cart. Let me choose the size and tap add to cart. You can continue shopping and add more items or go straight to checkout. For that, tap the bag icon at the top right. Review all your selected items, check sizes and quantities. If everything looks good, tap checkout at the bottom right. Now here you need to enter your shipping address. First, your location, your name, your phone number, and here try entering address manually. And once done, tap save at the bottom. Next, select your payment method. Shein usually accepts debit or credit cards, PayPal, and sometimes cash on delivery depending on your reason. Once your shipping and payment details are ready, tap continue and then place order. You will see an order confirmation screen and also get an email with all your order details. To track your purchase, go to My Orders in the app or website. There you will see updates on shipping and delivery. And that's it. That's how you successfully place an order on Shein. Shopping is really simple once you know the steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.